Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Anshika Mishra. Today we'll talk about 90% of symptomatic individuals not diagnosed with TB may also harbor tuberculosis bacteria. A study published in the Journal Proceedings of the National Academy of Science revealed that Mycobacterium tuberculosis, the bacteria that causes a tuberculosis infection, is present in exhaled breath of 90% of those presenting with suspected tuberculosis and also includes those who were negative on conventional sputum test and not diagnosed with TB. Tuberculosis remains a significant global health concern with approximately 10 million people worldwide suffering from it, according to the World Health Organization. Mycobacterium tuberculosis, the bacterium responsible for tuberculosis, enters the body through inhalation and primarily affects the lung. Once inhaled, the bacteria can invade the immune system. The bacterium spreads through the air when an infected individual coughs or sneezes, making it highly contagious and can affect other organs besides the lungs, leading to extrapulmonary TB.
Are you also aspiring to excel in medical journalism and delve into the intricacies of health and medical reporting? Explore our comprehensive course on medical and health journalism available at the Medical Dialogues Academy. Learn from industry experts who possesses in-depth knowledge and experience in this field. For further details, scan the QR code provided or access the link in the description box below.
If someone carries MTB in the respiratory tract, this may also mean they can spread it. Therefore, since these results suggest a much broader range of people transmitting TB than previously recognized, there are significant implications for public health interventions designed to interrupt transmission, said Ben Patterson, external Ph.D. candidate at the Amsterdam UMC and the Amsterdam Institute of Global Health and Development. In the study, participants were evaluated for TB diagnosis. Aerosol samples were collected in a dedicated TB aerobiology lab. These samples gathered from all participants detected MTB in 90% of patients, even those initially testing negative for tuberculosis via sputum analysis. Sampling was repeated at 3 intervals over 6 months for each participant. Researchers found that the presence of MTB decreased in those on treatment as well, surprisingly, as those not on treatment over the period time. Nevertheless, 20% of all participants continued to test positively for MTB in aerosol after 6 months. The findings suggested that transmission could continue over a period longer than previously thought. Together, our results indicate how complex tuberculosis is and perhaps also why it is so difficult to eliminate tuberculosis in endemic areas, even when public health agencies work according to the current guidelines effectively against symptomatic TB cases. In this sense, a re-evaluation of our practices is necessary, said Frank Cobelens, Professor of Global Health at Amsterdam UMC and Senior Fellow at the AIGHD. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.